So hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Accelerate Lit. I hope you guys are having a great day. So I hope you have seen the video title, and today in this video we are going to talk about the history and the importance of food in India. So before jumping on the topic of food, let's just talk about a few iconic cars or few historical values car, or should I say classic cars, which were used in Indian cinemas. Like 1949 Buick Super convertible was used in Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara. Willys Jeep was used in Aradhna movie. 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air was used in movie Jewel Thief and various more movies. In 1928 Ford Model A was used in the movie Chalti Ka Naam Gaadi. But the Ford Motor Company officially came in India around 1926 and soon became bankrupt around 1955. But the officially or unofficially, it's not yet confirmed, the Ford Model T came in India around 1950, which is not sure. Like there are some theories it came, but some theories it doesn't. Ford Escort was the first car to approach Indian market with the Ford logo, followed by the cars like Ford Fusion, Ford Montego, and Ford Fiesta. Ford Fiesta was launched as specially S variant of the sedan for the enthusiasts in the market. Fiesta was already known for its good handling, and with the S variant, Ford took it to the next level. The Fiesta S had better suspension, a better body kit, and also received a special color. Ford did not change the engine though for it. It had 100 bhp and 145 Newton meters of torque. It was followed by the Ford Montega. Montega had the hearts of the enthusiasts in India. It was the first time the Ford decided to enter the luxury segment. It was launched in 2002. But what before that? What happened? Ford came to India in 1926 and tried to enter the Indian market under Ford India Private Limited. But the company soon shut down due to some financial issues and other stuff in 1954. Ford re-entered the market in 1955. This time, it re-entered in the joint venture of Ford and Mahindra Private Limited. It has a 51-49% of JV. It was named as Mahindra Ford MFIL. Then in March 1998, Ford bought 72% shares of the company and renamed it again as Ford India Private Limited. This is the company we know today, and it launched various cars such as EcoSport, Ford Figo, Ford Endeavour, and many other good selling cars we know in the market. Currently, the Ford Figo is one of the best hatchbacks you can buy in the market. It's fast, it's safe, and it's just like a miniature variant of Ford Focus. So let's just talk about the first car came from the Mahindra Ford India Limited, or MFIL. That sounds a bit suspicious. Okay, so now we know that the Ford Escort was the first car from MFIL, but globally, the Escort was in production from 1968. It was a long time ago. The one that came to our shores was the sixth generation of European spec, maybe the first and last time Euro spec, US spec vehicle in India. But there are few. Check. It was launched at a time when sedans were not popular in India. The automotive industries just began to leap towards the future. People who were more inclined towards the budget car from Maruti Suzuki, such as Maruti 800, features were not the first priority list for the buyers at that time. And to be honest, right now we don't have much changes. Like, yeah, for the price segment, like we common people have to buy, we can have, I'm not saying that we cannot, but we can have, but the quality the companies are providing with it are way too much poor. Like the some companies, like having the, what they say, infotainment system is seriously like using a 2012 Samsung tab in like playing PUBG on it in now current situation. Like it won't handle like no multi-touch. It has a fingerprint magnet. You cannot like you have to spend more than a specific amount to have like that kind of luxury. But in case of drivetrain, yeah, the budget segment is good, but only from few brands, not all. I won't name, but I hope you know what I'm talking about. There are various more vehicles Ford produced and still is producing, and they might be keep on producing. Freestyle, Ford Endeavour, Ford EcoSport, Ford Figo, Ford Aspire, and then how can we forget the legendary Ford Mustang? Mustang. Whenever we heard the name of Ford, the first thing for an Indian to came in mind is a Ford Figo, Ford Endeavour, and then a Ford Mustang, or vice versa. The Mustang. The Mustang came in India officially few years back. The current generation, no, yeah, the current generation, right? The Mustang started its production in 1964 in United States. It's the one of the best pony car, or should I say, the best pony car ever made. Fanboy alert! And till this date, it is the best pony car ever made. I hope you guys enjoy this small little talk with me. Make sure to hit the like, share, and subscribe button. Keep your post notifications on. I will keep posting these kinds of podcast slash video stuff once a month and later maybe weeks. So stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoy. Have a great day. Bye bye. Signing off.